Hey guys, it's Joey Kitty here. Listen, I got terrible news. Hurricane season is gonna be coming in 2 weeks. So, if you guys still live in Florida, look, make sure you just survive, alright? Hurricane season is just like a doomsday. But the doomsday is just like the end of the world. But the hurricane will. Due to the hurricane season, my house is going to be destroyed. So, it so does with the theme parks in Florida. So, it's not going to be sunny in summer. So, it's no longer going to be sunny all summer long. So, everything else is going to be destroyed. And there's no drought. No drought. So listen. The hurricane season ends at November 30th. Well, it's gotta ruin the whole summer and the Halloween season. Well, the hurricane season is going to ruin all summer long and Halloween. Alright. Well, make sure you prepare for the Doomsday scenario. Alright. If you like it, please leave a comment and subscribe. Alright. And make sure just make sure you survive. If won't, you will die from a hurricane. Alright. I'll see you later. Bye.